Packed with tons of protein, this highly nutritious stock is commonly used in soups, sauces, and gravies. It has also recently gained popularity as a very healthy drink and could aid in the digestive tract. Bone broth dates back to the prehistoric times when hunter-gatherers turned otherwise inedible animal parts like bones, hooves, and knuckles into a broth they could drink. Bone broth has continuously and increasingly become more popular in the health and wellness field. Let's keep in mind the nutrient content does depend on the ingredients you use, as each person brings something different to the table. As you may be aware, animal bones are rich in calcium, magnesium, potassium, and phosphorus, and other trace minerals that are very important and the same minerals needed to build and strengthen your own bone. Fish bones contain something called iodine, which is essential for healthy thyroid function and metabolism. Connective tissue gives you glucosamine and chondroitin, natural compounds found in cartilage that are known to support joint health. Some of you may be familiar with the word marrow, which is a certain fatty substance within the bones and the cartilage. Marrow provides vitamin A, vitamin K, minerals like zinc, iron, and manganese, and selenium, as well as omega-3 and omega-6 fatty acids. As the ingredients simmer, their nutrients are released into the water in a form your body can easily absorb. Many people don't get enough of these nutrients in their diet, so drinking bone broth is a good way to get more. Unfortunately, it's impossible to know the exact amount of each nutrient contained in the broth because every batch of bones is so different. And like I mentioned before, bone broth has an incredible impact on your digestive system. Scientists have discovered that your overall health depends heavily on the health of your intestinal tract. What makes bone broth incredibly convenient is it's very easy to digest, but it may also aid in the digestion of other foods. The gelatin found in bone broth naturally attracts and holds liquids. Gelatin can also bind to water in your digestive tract, which helps food move through your gut more easily. A very important amino acid in gelatin called glutamine helps maintain the function of the intestinal wall and has been known to prevent and heal a condition known as leaky gut. My personal favorite are the two amino acids found in bone broth, and those include glycine and arginine, have strong anti-inflammatory effects. Arginine in particular may be especially beneficial for fighting chronic inflammation. And if you're looking to keep your calories low and your protein high, what's more important is bone broth is high in protein like we mentioned before, which may help improve your appetite, increase weight loss, and maintain lean muscle mass. So overall, if you're looking for a drink that's going to give you a massive amount of nutrients, but not giving you all the guilt of consuming it, switch over to bone broth and you'll see all the amazing benefits. And remember folks, go back to the basics. Alrighty, my wellness people, that concludes our topic for today. I'm going to go ahead now and step out of the Jaye Wellness Studio and leave you in good hands with this video. I ask you all to subscribe to my channel so you can get the latest, greatest health and wellness videos, motivation, yoga, and meditation. But before I let you go, I'd like to leave you with one thing. Being well is feeling well. Feeling well is doing well. Doing well is living well. Take care, everybody. Talk to you soon.